I added a couple little motion lights to a couple areas. One my Biffy, if you want to call it that. Yeah, it's better at night so I can see. But yeah, so I added that to there. Turns off in 20 seconds. And I also added one to my closet. This makes life a little easier. They're rechargeable. They're supposed to last for several months. And they're just velcroed in place. They're there. Well, good morning. It's almost 8 o'clock. I've stopped at a place that has no Wi-Fi or cell service, and it's been about 16 hours so far where I've not had Wi-Fi or cell service. It's like it's the longest it's been in years for me, but no problem. Just gonna make myself a simple breakfast today. Just some pancakes and some coffee. And, Ginger's already been fed. She's always looking for something new. I'll speed it up here a little bit, but I'm experimenting with some picture-in-picture. Let me know what you think about it, if I should do it or not, or keep up with it. No comments on the extra gray hair and the balding spot on the back starting.
What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I say.
Nummy. Oh, breakfast was good. I'm gonna finish my coffee and then I'm gonna head out on the road to find a place to spend for the night. You know what they say about rainbows? Find the end of the rainbow and you found your pot of gold. Well, I'm gonna search for this rainbow and see if I can find my pot of gold, or see where it takes me. Well, it took me to Duncan, and I figured it stopped at this gas station, so I pulled in. Well, I bought myself a lottery ticket, but I figured the end of the rainbow. Let's see if it's lucky. Woohoo! It's a winner! I won $1. Yay! I went back to Jordan River and met Jeffrey Bear again, and one of his friends. There's Pallet-ive Care. We're all looking at the ocean. And there was another couple people traveling from Saskatchewan. Nice newer ambulance. It's quite large. She's doing up. So yeah, it was a nice night, even though it was raining. Thanks for watching and subscribing. I'm super happy right now, over 1,200 subscribers.